today is the day that I basically clean my glass palette off. And many of you know that in previous videos I've oftentimes told you to keep the paint on the palette and just add new paint on top of it, and you can use some of the dry paint to have a stiffer consistency for certain types of painting that you'll be doing when you're doing your oil paintings. But the issue with that is that when you let paint set for so long, it becomes very hard and dry, and there's pretty much nothing that you can do with it. So what I do is I have what you call just a cheap razor blade scraper, where you're able to take the screw loose and change the blade. And what I have done is I went to Lowe's and got a stack of razor blades. I probably have like 1 to 200 of these in a pack, and I change this blade often and to keep a fresh blade to scrape the palette off. And the reason why I use the glass is because it scrapes all the way down easy, and I just collect the dried paint into a pile. I put it into a paper towel, ball it up, and throw it in the trash. So just to give you a tip, get you an inexpensive scraper, keep it near your studio drawer where you keep your paints and other supplies and your brushes, and keep it handy so you can keep your palette clean. Now, when I'm actually painting a series of paintings, different paintings, I'll tend to let the paint stay on the glass palette and just add new paint on top as I'm painting, because it does help to have some older paint on the palette. But once this sets for several months, it gets really hard, and really it makes no sense to have this old paint on the palette if it can't be used at all. So what I'll do is that when I get ready to start a new series of painting, which that's what I'm getting ready to do now, is I will clean the palette, and that kind of makes a sign within me that I'm starting a whole new fresh project. And I will clean my glass palette with this razor blade, and this is, to me, is the easiest way to clean my palette. And I get everything together and get my palette clean. And I also use 409 or either some type of degreaser spray to spray down the glass palette. Take a paper towel, wipe it down, it gets this residue off, and I have a free clean palette that's ready for the next brand new spots of paint that I use for my painting. All right.